Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Kia Stinger GT2. This vehicle has 368 horsepower and has an 8-speed automatic transmission, turbo V6 engine. The GT2 is the highest trim level on the Stinger. The Stinger is of course discontinued now, but I believe 2023 was the last model year if I'm not mistaken. So the Stinger is a great car. You know, it's a shame that it's not being sold anymore because it is a really nice car, but it's for a very niche buyer. So, you know, it's just it just wasn't like the best seller, but especially in the used market, it's a great car, right? Like the interior looks very premium in here. I love the flat bottom steering wheel and the new Kia logo, which is a big upgrade over the previous black Kia logo, which was a circle that said Kia. It didn't make the car feel premium, but this new logo looks great. I love the design in here. The GT2 gives you this shifter right here, this electronic shifter, as opposed to like the other one you find in the GT1 and the GT line. You have a nice screen. They updated the screen when they facelifted the car. You have the typical Kia system. It's pretty nice. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging tray, ventilated seats and heated seats. Put the vehicle in reverse and you're going to get a 360-degree camera system. The Stinger never came with a full digital gauge cluster. It just has analog gauges with the center screen. Even the turn signal stock feels decent. You have the turn signal cameras, which is one of the best features in a Kia and Hyundai. Anytime I make a video on a Kia or Hyundai, I always mention that because I love that feature. Carbon fiber interior trim. You have GT in the headrest. Well, let's walk around this GT2 Stinger. Let's hear the engine. It's a bit subdued for sure, but you can get an exhaust to open up the exhaust, make it louder. You have a Harman Kardon sound system. This is the ceramic silver color. Looks really nice. I love the wheels. The red Brembo brakes up front. Those are the daytime running lights. Kia Tiger Nose grille. The back looks really good on these. I love the taillights when they're facelifted. Big. You have big quad outlet exhaust set up in this car. GT badge on the back. This doesn't even say Kia, it just says Stinger, which is cool. And here's the rear cargo mat. Pretty good, spacious. It's a hatchback, which is nice. Here are the rear seats. You have heated rear seats. Very impressive to have for a sports sedan to have heated rear seats. And you have 3 settings too. The seats look great. You also have a pretty big sunroof in here. And you also have a wireless charging tray that you can see my phone in right now. Yep. Let's make sure that's on. And then the sunroof. You just push the button and it'll slide back for you. It's a pretty big sunroof, as I said. It's not like one of those really small sunroofs, which is cool to see. I'm trying to figure out how I can just get the shade back as opposed to the whole roof. So it looks like, from the looks of it, you need to have the glass open for that to open, which is interesting because I can't find a button just to get the sunshade back. But let's get this Kia Stinger GT2 on the road and see how it drives. And you also have the drive modes right here. Smart, Eco, Comfort, Sport, and a custom mode, which is cool. You have 5 modes, which you can craft to your own liking. And when I just put the car in sport mode, the side bolsters just squeezed around my back, which I think is really cool. I love when cars do that. You change the mode and then the bolsters tighten up for you to go around corners and be held in nicely by the car. So yeah, the Stinger it's an awesome car. For the value for the money is amazing. You get this kind of performance, really nice premium interior, really good looking car, all in a great price point. You can get like used Stinger, pre-owned Stingers like this one in like the $30,000 to $40,000 range, depending on the miles, and low 30s on higher miles. Like, it's a lot of car for the money. And like I said, the Kia logo being changed is a big improvement because the old Kia logo looked terrible when the Kia Stinger first came out, but this one looks, I really like this logo. Wow, this car is fast. It is no joke. It really throws you back in your seat. It's impressive. And this one's rear-wheel drive, so it will get sideways, as you just saw. You can also get the Stinger in all-wheel drive too, but the rear-wheel drive is, you know, more fun. You can literally slide it around. And under hard acceleration, it will get sideways, so you definitely have to be mindful of that when you're accelerating quickly in this car, and you need to be able to control the vehicle with pretty good skill. What I'm saying is, don't underestimate the power of the Stinger. It is pretty quick. Look how fast that is. It gets up to speed so quick. It's insane. Absolutely insane, the kind of power this vehicle has. Wow, very impressive. You also have the lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. As you can see, the buttons right there, and the vehicle's keeping me in the lane right now, or it's trying to as I'm going around this corner. You also have memory seats. Here's the key fob. But it's definitely a great car. The equivalent from Genesis on this car is the G70, but I like the Stinger better because it stands out more. The G70 is more luxurious. It would be the 3.3 turbo. Same, yeah, it's a 3.3 turbo. Same in this car. Like the Stinger GT line has a 2-liter 4-cylinder, but this is a 3.3 turbo V6. Let's see how this. Man, this car is fast. It is brutal, that acceleration. Goodness. Very awesome. Yeah, Kia did a great job with this vehicle. It is amazing to drive. Let's put it in a different drive mode, see what it's like. I'm gonna put it in the comfort mode, just to see, like, I mean, you're not always going to be in the sport mode. Like if you're commuting or something, you don't want to be in the most aggressive drive settings because you're going to feel every bump and things like that. Yeah, I love the steering wheel. Like, it feels great in my hand. Very nice fit and finish. This flat bottom looks cool. I like this little metal piece right there. And then I just love the logo. It looks like a K with a backwards end. So it's funny when the Kia first changed the logo, people will be searching up on Google, what is a KN car? People thought KN was a new brand. But yeah, it's impressive how Kia has been making a ton of cars. It's not a luxury brand, but the cars feel very luxurious. This car definitely feels luxurious. This feels like a luxury vehicle, which is really cool to see. But yeah, overall a very nice driving vehicle. It's fast, it looks good, it has some great features, 360 camera, all the driver safety tech that you would want, heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats. So it's just a great package overall, and it's an amazing value in the pre-owned market. It stands out on the road. It's a nice car. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles like this Kia Stinger GT2.